Hello nice people out there. I would like to try to notify FIFA Tense. I think it's a very fun and focused game. I myself am a Real Madrid fan, so I bothered to play Real Madrid. I would like to give 4 of 10 stars. Do not worry you Dane out there, it comes in Danish talk afterwards. Hej søde mennesker derude. Jeg vil gerne prøve at anmelde FIFA 10. Jeg synes det er et meget sjovt og koncentreret spil. Jeg er selv Real Madrid-fan. Så jeg plejer at spille Real Madrid. Jeg vil gerne give 4 af 10 stjerner.